Hello friends, I welcome you all to this brand new episode in Gardening is My Love. Today I have the pleasure to introduce mangosteen fruit. Have you ever seen mangosteen fruit? It's a very popular fruit grown mostly in Southeast Asia surrounding Thailand, Malaysia and Singapore. Its scientific name is Garcinia mangostana. In Hindi it is known as Mangostani, Kattampi in Malayalam and with many other names in different parts of India. It is sweet and tangy in nature. It's a favorite of the gods. So therefore it is called as the food of gods. It's also known as queen's fruit. Now let me tell you about the fruit. It is antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and contains lot of vitamin C. And in my next video I will tell you the incredible benefits of this fruit. So thank you for watching the episode. Thank you.